and safety shall take priority. Whenever possible, as long as it does not cause greater harm, all COVID-19 protective action guidance should be followed. For your protection, move your interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.